Hello everyone. In this lesson, I'm going to introduce about introduction to microservices. Microservices included in database management system. Database management system used to access, edit, and control the data. So there are so many database management software in the market. However, in this lesson, I will only focus on microservices. Microservices is easy to use and is powerful. So let's get started. So open. So there we go. And here, so there you can create database by two ways. The first way is click to blank desktop database. By clicking this, you will get a blank database. On the other hand, you can also use the ready-made layout for the Microsoft Access interface by clicking database or by clicking business, logos, industry, like that. So at here, I will only use blank database. So I will click to home and then click to blank desktop database. And here you have to give the name. So at here, I will give the name. For example, I would like to get footer, just an example footer, and then click to create. After that, you will get a database file. So in the Microsoft Access database, there's four things you can do in mainly. Those are table, queries, forms, and reports. So now we are on the table session. So add here ID, and then you can write something like that. So I will not explain about what is title, about what is menu bar, what is ribbon, and what is group. Is very similar with the Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So I will only just focus on the main point. So in the Microsoft Access, there are two views at here, datasheet view and design view. Datasheet view will show you the and find the user size and find the user size. And by using the design view, you can design, you can modify your database. It's for the real user, okay? For the tester. Okay, so I will click the design view, and then first of all, you have to give the table name. So at here, table one, I will change TSD test, and then click to OK. So our table name is now test. And then add here the feed name. In Microsoft Access, feed refers to the colon. So colon one is the ID, and then add here data type. What type or data type are you using now? So there's are more than seven. So mostly we use short test, long test, number, day and time, currency, auto number, yes, no, attachment, and lookup wizards. And here auto number. So auto number means the number will give automatically by the system. So and here you will see a key sign. It's called primary key at here. Okay. If you want to allocate the primary key, just click here. So the key is this here. If you want to make this ID to the primary key, and then just click the primary key. So what does it mean primary key? Primary key is the standard numbers and the key that will not change whatever. Okay. So I will put another field name, especially is the column name. So ID after that, well, we can names. So name. So what type of data? Sorry, what type or data type is name? Is the short test. And you can also choose the long test. So what is the difference between short test and long test? Short test only used for the type in short test. Long test used for the long test. So short test. And here, if you choose the short test, there's a field properties. And here, for example, field size, you can write 255. If you want to decrease the character limit, if you want to reduce, I will erase, for example, 255 like that. And then at here, validation rule, you can also make the validation, but I will explain about that topic on the later video. And then let's continue. ID name after that, OCCU, PATION, occupation. So occupation also maybe shortest. And then salary, for example, salary. So what is salary? So salary is a number. So uh, I think currency is better, so choose to currency like this. Okay. So this is creating a test. Whatever you do in Microsoft Access, the main point is you have to save. So click to the save button here. That's it. And then let's go back to the datasheet view. Here, click. There we go. So that is ID, name, occupation, salary. So I will click here, name. Name is, and the occupation, salary, like this, for example. And then Kelly, and then teacher, for example, like this. Okay. So this is how you insert the data in Microsoft. So after you create the table, what you can do is you can create a query and you can create the font and you can create the report. So to create those things, everything's included in Creator. So to create the query, just click to the query wizards like this. So I will continue about that topic on the coming video. And then if you want to create the font, just click to the font or font design. And that's also where we discuss in coming video. And then if you want to create the report, you can click to report or report design. So that is how we use Microsoft Access. So I don't want to make a long video. That's why I will stop at here. So I will explain about other things in the coming video. So if you like it, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.